In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best multi-timer apps for Android. Whether you need to track cooking times, workouts, or reminders, these apps have got you covered. Let's get started. Multi-timer app. The multi-timer app is a versatile and user-friendly application that allows users to set multiple timers simultaneously. With its simple interface, you can easily create and manage timers for various activities, such as cooking, exercising, or reminders. Users can customize each timer with different labels, colors, and sounds. The app also supports background operation, meaning you can keep timers running even while using other applications. Its intuitive design makes it ideal for anyone needing an efficient way to track time for multiple tasks. Multi-Timer Plus. Multi-Timer Plus stands out with its customizable features and easy-to-use interface. This app allows you to create an unlimited number of timers and categorize them for better organization. Each timer can be personalized with unique colors, labels, and alarm sounds. The app offers a visual representation of each timer's progress, making it easy to track remaining time at a glance. Additionally, Multi-Timer Plus supports notifications and can run timers in the background while you focus on other tasks. It's perfect for users who want a more organized and visual way to manage their timers. Multi-Timer for Android. Multi-Timer for Android is a straightforward app that focuses on simplicity while providing essential multi-timer functionalities. Users can set multiple timers at once, label each one for easy identification, and choose from different notification sounds. The app allows you to start, pause, and reset timers effortlessly, and also supports background operation. Its minimalist design ensures that users can quickly access and manage their timers without any distractions. This app is great for those who prefer a no-frills approach to time management. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these multi-timer apps help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. See you next time.